If you come to the battle of Mahabharata, the Kauravas got disturbed because of fear. They had fear. And in this fear, they heard the chorus divine sound or the chorus blowing of conch. Nothing else, no other instrument, only conch. 18 people blowing their conch, their names are given, and others might have joined. When they joined in a chorus way, their hearts got disturbed. This word tumula was previously used when the Kauravas started beating their drums, kettle drums, conch, that Gomukha Panava, all these, when they are blowing. There was also the same word tumula. Here it is used the same words tumula. The Pandavas blew conch. Kauravas were worried, not the Pandavas. Here it is not written, the Pandavas were worried, their hearts were disturbed. The Kauravas were disturbed. Now, go to the inner meaning. The inner meaning is a sincere seeker or a sadhaka listening to sound. At the same time, he is combining his own Vijamantra with that sound. And while listening to that sound, lower tendencies got worried. When the lower tendency got worried, the Pandavas were not worried. So in us, there are two attitudes remaining simultaneously. We'll call it as Dhartarashtra Bhava, Pandava Bhava. The attitude of the children of Dhritarashtra, the attitude of the Pandavas. Sometimes people listening to the sound get disturbed. They think something wrong going on within me. What is going on? Some people, without knowledge of what the sound is, they think I'm sick, I have some trouble in my ear. Some people. Sometimes the sound which we listen to, Anahatanada, might come to a person without knowledge. He doesn't know. So if he doesn't know and hears this sound, what he will tell? I have ear problem. When they go to the doctor, what the doctor? The doctor's doctor will not understand what it is. Okay? For example, if anybody who is not acquainted with this path, the path of inner journey, divine sound, divine light and all these, and if you go on telling, in meditation one hears or I hear, somebody will tell, it is all fantasy, imagination. How come you can hear, I don't hear? They cannot believe, they cannot understand. However, Dhartarashtra Bhava, it is the attitude of fear. When it is attitude of fear, they get worried, they get disturbed. And Pandava Bhava, the attitude of the Pandavas, it is the unified effort with knowledge and love. So they got inner joy, inner progress, inner strength,